Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and today we are going to give you a review of our Samsung Watch 4. So let's get started. Now here, this is the customized wallpaper which you see in the ads, and it has the same rotating bezel like Samsung Watch 2 has or 3 has, and of course the touch sensor. And these are the functions that you see here. Now let's see. So the first one will show you about the number of steps you have walked, and um, these are the workout modes. So it has around 96 workout modes, and you can keep adding more if you want to. So you can see the usual ones are here. That is the key to go back, and then you can keep rotating. So this is about body weight and body fat and everything. So it depends on whatever you want to, like how you measure it. You can even monitor your sleep. So it tells you that how much time you were sleeping, like how was your sleep, it was light or it was good enough. And let's see what it has next. This is the temperature and the weather updates. Yeah, okay, let's go to the next. Events. So you can have your events here, and then blood pressure, ECG. ECG is something new which is added to the watches now. Before, this was not there. And then this is how it shows your average BPM, your stress levels, and you can add more tiles. So it depends on what you want to have. And you can keep changing the widgets, wallpapers, and settings as you like. So this is the one that comes in all the watches, and then you can keep changing the tiles as you like. All right, so I hope you like the video. This is our watch, and I'm really enjoying using it. Battery backup, I don't know, like I'm not quite happy with the battery, because if this is connected to like everything that I want to use, say if the Bluetooth is on, if the location is on, if the Wi-Fi is on, then the battery will just go for like say 1.5 day or 2 on max. That's it. Otherwise everything is good, the sensors are good, and overall the watch is really nice. And okay, so we have changed this. Now we selected a different one because it has everything together. You can check your battery also, the steps also, and everything is here. All right, and then these are notifications that you get from your, like messages, if you need WhatsApp notifications, Outlook notification, that depends on you. And then this is a drop down menu where you can quickly select these things. Okay, and then if we use it the other way, then you have all the applications here. So you see all the applications that you need are here, and then also this for the music. All right, so I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.